Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have some project shares to share with you today. I did some really quick tags last night, and these are going on my packaging for my little pumpkins. And I'll just show it to you here. This is one of them, and I'm using a Dollar Tree loot bag. And I threw in some goodies on top of the pumpkins. But mainly I wanted to share with you what I used for my label. This is a Coco and Reno die tag, and that is what I used here. I pulled out some of my Halloween papers that were gifted to me from a friend years ago when I first started here on YouTube, and I just die cut it with the Coco and Reno die die. Sorry. And I created rosettes for the top of it. I just used the Dollar Tree crepe paper potty streamer, and it looks like this. This is a beautiful, almost peachy orange color. It's not a bright, harsh orange. And then I also pulled out my Target Halloween chipboard stickers. So this is the year that Target made like really thin chipboard stickers, and I think it was like 2 years ago maybe. So I bought a bucket of those, so I have like a buttload of these stickers, and I thought they were super cute. So I used that to dress up the rosette a little bit, just a little bit, you know, it's a tag. And this is where I will write my thank you to whoever purchased my pumpkins. What I did here, it's the embossing powder that I recently received from Patricia Johnson. She gifted this to me in one of my in my mail that she sent for my birthday, and it's the Zing embossing powder. I used Recollections embossing powder, the clear embossing, so the clear ink. And you know, I'm still learning, so it didn't come out the best because I realized at the end, like, I couldn't like stamp multiples of them and then put the embossing powder. I was supposed to put the powder on it while the embossing ink was wet. So while it was still wet, I should have put the powder on, because you could see here it was drying up, and I stamped the images really clearly. And this was a stamp, it says thank you, that it's a recollection stamp. I received this from Christian's Crafty Adventures, and it came with the stencil. So I just used the thank you stamp, and that's what I used to put on the back. And I used the powder. So now I know, going forward, stamp the image or whatever it is, and then put the powder immediately. And you got to do it one at a time, I guess. I mean, you ladies know more than me, so you let me know. And I'm also going to include this Dollar Tree skeleton. This was a banner that they sold. I think they're still selling it, but I picked this up last year for Halloween. And it comes 12 pieces, black and white skeletons. So I just attached a foam heart that I die cut with, let me see if I have it here. I want to say it's a KS Craft, but don't hold it to me, guys. At least not yet. Yeah, I can't find it. I don't know where it is. Okay. Anyway, it was a recent die set that I hauled on my channel, and it had these consecutive sizes. You go all the way to this super tiny one, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this was the second smallest, and I just hot glued him straight to the little skeleton. And if my recipient wants to reuse it, they could pull the heart off or whatever. And then it's just going to be right on top of my thank you. So when they flip it over, they'll see that little skeleton guy. So that's what this one looks like. And here's the next one. Now I don't know what the collection of this one is. I received it in a Happy Mail. So I pulled it out and it's pretty thick, pretty sturdy. And this little guy goes with him. So I made all of this last night, guys, because I didn't have a Halloween thank you card. So I made my own. This was the next one, and this is also gifted paper, Halloween paper. And the Target stickers, these are still Target stickers. I didn't use anything different. They're all the same. I was trying to factory create this. You know, line them up and go, 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 go. Uh-oh. Oops. Oh, that one wanted to stick to the heart. I think I was too fast when I put this on top of it. So this is what that one looks like. You'll go with him. And they're all in different poses. There's like 4 different poses. And this little guy with his little heart. And this one is paper, scrapbook paper, but still the same. So you see, this is where I stamped it. And I was like, why isn't it sticking? My embossing ink has to be wet while I put the powder on. So I'm learning. This is the next one. I'm not really doing anything too fancy to the tag. I just wanted to write something like thank you on there. And here's the smallest size of that heart die set. And that's some Michaels foam, crafty foam. This is another scrapbook paper. This one turned out a little better because it was still a little more wet. And there's the other heart. He is so cute. You can see him right there. And this is the next one. I don't know what collections these are, guys, so don't even ask because I don't know. There's another heart. And these are just going to be attached to the little baggies. Whoever purchases my so this one was way better because it was more wet. It was wet when I put the powder on it. More of the Target sticker. This paper right here is super cute. That's what he looks like. And this is the next one. And then here, I don't know what happened there, but I know I pressed all the way down. But it's okay. My learning curve. And here's my little skeleton guy. The foam is wanting to shed, but still cute. Still cute. And then here's the last one. This is the very last one. And you see this is the most perfect embossing. That is so beautiful. And that's what it's supposed to look like when you do it nice and wet. Has to be all juicy. So that's what he looks like. That's it. So that was all I wanted to share with you all. It's super easy. I use my Coco and Reno die. I use some Recollection stamps and embossing powder from Patricia and Target stickers from Target 2 years ago. And I still have a ton of these stickers, so you never know. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to bag it up. It's going to be cinched here, and I will attach the tag right to the ribbon, whatever I use to close it up. I don't want to close it up just yet because when it's time to post it to Instagram, I want to be able to show what I have. I'm just going to show you some of the extras. So I threw in some of the bones from Dollar Tree, and I threw in random flavor of lip balm or lip gloss. And there's no, you can't pick the flavor. It's just whatever is coming with it. And yeah, so go check it out, guys. Michael's Recollections. I think they had this. When I purchased mine, it was on sale. So any ink, embossing, stamping, glitters, they were on sale for like half off. or buy one, get one, something like that. All right, guys. Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys give it a try. Super easy. Make so many at one time, and tag me if you guys do this little project. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.